Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures. Are you traveling to Sapporo soon? If yes, then this video is for you. We are sharing another hotel recommendation that is located in the heart of Sapporo. This is called Ibis Styles Sapporo. It is stylish and modern, perfect for travelers who want comfort without breaking the bank. The check-in process is very smooth and efficient. The staffs are friendly and helpful, and they are also English speaking. That's why it's very easy to communicate with them on your needs. We book our stay through Agoda and it's very easy and convenient. And if you also want to book your travel needs, you can also book through Agoda and use my discount code KURTAGODA to get up to 10% off.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures. And today, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sapporo. And we are staying here at Ibis Styles Sapporo. So this is just 3 subway stops from Sapporo Station. So tara, let's have a quick room tour. So upon entering, ito yung makikita ninyo agad. They have like a closet here. So ayan, sliding door siya. You can put your clothes, yung mga coats nyo dito. Tapos pwede kayo dito maglagay ng mga folded clothes nyo. And sa baba naman are provided sleepers. On this side naman are mga coffee making facility nila. So they have this coffee maker na UCC. Tapos provided na din yung capsule dyan. And then they also provided drinking water. Ito. And mga mugs. Dito naman sa taas are lagayan ng ice. Meron din isang pitcher, tsaka mga glasses. Dito naman sa ilalim is the electric kettle. And then their mini fridge. Ayan. So this is the CR naman. So inside the CR, meron silang, of course, the automatic toilet. Over here naman is the sink. Meron na dito mga toothbrush. Pero yung ibang toiletries na kailangan mo, you can get it downstairs. Pagka mga shaving kit, resort, ganyan, pwede mong tahingiin sa reception. Meron na din ditong bathtub. And provided na din dito yung mga toiletries na gagamitin nyo, like the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So this is the bedroom na. Meron tong tatlong single beds, pero malaki siya sa single bed naman. So tatlo yan. And then, meron na din dito lagayan ng luggage. Ito lagayan to ng luggage eh. Pwede mo ditong buksan yung luggage para hindi ka mahirapan pag kumukuha ng gamit. Ito naman, meron din silang provided na mga sofa. So, ayan, meron dito. Tapos dito. And this one, pwede kayo dito mag-coffee. This is a coffee table. And may provided sila dito na welcome letter for us. Ayan o. And this is the TV na provided dito sa room. Meron siyang mga Netflix, smart TV siya. So, pwede tayong mag-Netflix and chill dito. Tapos, provided din nila yung mga pajamas. Ayan. Pajama na available. Ito pa isa. Ito naman, another table that you can use for working kapag magla-laptop kayo. And also, pwede kayo dito mag-ayos. Parang vanity mirror. Ito naman guys, is the bedside table. Tapos nandito yung mga control ng lights. Ayan o. Yung light dyan. Tapos yan. Humihina, lumalakas. Yan. So pwede nyo siya dito i-control. Kahit nakahiga na kayo. Very accessible. Ito naman ang view ng aming room. Ayan, nakikita nyo ang Sapporo. Wala masyadong landmark na makikita from here. Mga other hotels lang. Good morning, guys! So, this is our second day here in Sapporo, in Ibis Styles Sapporo. And we're heading down to have our first breakfast here. Ito yung breakfast dito, guys, sa Ibis Styles. So, they have a hand sanitizer here pagpasok mo. Tapos ito yung mga plates.
The buffet breakfast offers a mix of Japanese and Western options, so there's something for everyone, from warm rice, soup, and local dishes to bread, eggs, salads, and fresh coffee. They also offer unlimited drinks like soft drinks and juices, and also Sapporo Miso Ramen. But we highly recommend that you try out the venison curry. And what we really love about breakfast in Hokkaido is that they serve ice cream here. It's very creamy and milky. They're also serving a chef's special, which is the braised minced pork. Breakfast at Ibis Styles Sapporo is a great way to start your day before exploring the city. This hotel has a great location because it's only walking distance to the Namboku line, which is the Nakajima Koen station. It's only walking distance going to Susukino and also Inodori Park and Nakajima Park. What we really love about staying in Ibis Styles Sapporo is how convenient everything is. They have free ice that you can get anytime, a restaurant on site, coin laundry for longer stays, and even a luggage delivery service. Perfect if you're traveling around Hokkaido with big bags. Plus, there's a Lawson convenience store directly connected to the hotel, so grabbing your snacks, drinks, or late-night food is super easy. With its great location, convenient amenities, and big rooms, staying at Ibis Styles Sapporo makes traveling easy and stress-free. Kaya naman if you're planning a trip to Sapporo, this is definitely a hotel worth checking out. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!